Before any Italians come for me, this lasagna recipe is purely freestyled, using ingredients I had to use up at home at the time. It's vegan, hearty, and utterly delicious. I started by sauteing 10 spring onions, 5 cloves of garlic, and 2 courgettes, all chopped. Next, I added 2 packs of frozen vegan mince meat and cooked it over high heat for a couple of minutes until it gained a darker color and most of the excess liquid dried up. I added tomato passata, then 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, thyme, Old Bay seasoning, salt, pepper, and a crushed vegetable stock cube. Season to taste or follow the quantities in the ingredients listed in the description of this video. If you love some heat, you can even add a teaspoon of chili powder or chili flakes at this point. I simmered the mince sauce over medium heat for about 15 minutes, then set it aside while I got on with the cheese sauce. To make the white cheese sauce, I melted 3 tablespoons of vegan butter and added about half a cup of plain flour. I mixed it well over low-medium heat to form a thick roux, which is essentially a combination of flour and fat cooked together and used to thicken sauces. Then I added full fat coconut milk gradually, whisking as I went along until it came together into a smooth sauce. I also seasoned it with salt and coarse ground black pepper to taste. I added half a cup of grated vegan cheese, the type that melts easily, and kept whisking until the sauce was smooth. In terms of consistency, it should get to the point where it coats the back of a spoon. Once I had my mince and cheese sauce ready, it was time to assemble the lasagna. I built up the layers of mince, sauce, and lasagna sheets in my baking dish until I used up all the ingredients. I ended up using about 250 grams of lasagna sheets. On a side note, I don't know about you, but I really love cooking without a recipe. Once you have the basic idea of a dish, it's easy to put your own spin on things. Another benefit to freestyling sometimes is that it allows you to reduce food waste. I'm pretty certain you won't find the combination of spring onions and courgettes in a classic lasagna recipe, but in this case the final product tasted great, and that is what matters. I topped up the lasagna with more of that grated vegan cheese, then I baked it in a preheated oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The vegan cheese melted quite well, and there were some nice crispy edges. Once cooked, the lasagna will be very soft and saucy if you serve it straight away. If you're patient, you can leave it to cool a bit so that it holds its shape a bit more. This is a perfect dish to make one day in advance to allow all the flavors to really develop and of course for the lasagna to really hold its shape when you serve it. Let me know what you think of my unconventional lasagna recipe. It was so tasty and full of flavor, definitely worth a try. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, I post a new video every Sunday, and I will catch you next time. Bye!